Hi there. So right now we're gonna be testing ignition coils to see if they work. After removal, loosening of manifolds, so they could be loose. See, I have access there now. So all the I checked all 6 spark plug wires. They're all fine. Reading the same resistance. Now this is the fuse box right there. So this is how I'm gonna be doing this. This is the cover of the fuse box. Okay, you can see this one here, R4. This is a fuel pump relay. This is what I want to deactivate right now because I don't want any fuel to go in there. When I'm gonna be cranking the engine, or my kid's gonna be cranking the engine, okay, I'm gonna be looking for the sparks in the wires. All right, and if I don't see sparks, that tells me something. Okay, so this is the next step. This is the second test that I'm doing. First was the spark plug wires. They still turn out to be okay, all working, all 6 of them working perfectly fine. And now we move on to ignition coils. And just for your information, ignition coil is, okay, let me show you. Okay, so this is the ignition coil, this black thing, black box over there. All right, right there, this one. There's 1, there's 2, and there is a third one over there. Okay, at the bottom of the ignition coil, you attach spark plug wire. Okay, these are the connectors. Okay, so I'm gonna probably keep all of them connected. That way I can inspect every single one. But what I want to do, I want to point all of them going up. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use one of the tie wires and tie them all together so they're not pointing at any metal, right? If there is a spark coming out from there. So I want to see if there is a spark coming, right? I hope there is a spark coming. If there is no spark coming, then what I may have to do is to maybe remove spark plugs, put them in here, and then try to the spark plugs. So anyways, this is my first attempt doing this way. So let's see. If I see a spark, that means that it's good. I'm getting some kind of signal coming from the ignition coil. If I'm not getting a spark, obviously that will indicate that I'm not getting anything from the fan coil, from the ignition coil. Alrighty, and most likely ignition coil is defective. So most likely, okay. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna move on to the next step now. I'm gonna remove that relay over here, which is this one, and based on this, okay, this is a fuel pump R4. Okay, now keep in mind that this is the newer model Volvo Penta. This is the V6-240hp J. They were released in 2015. Okay, 240 horsepower. Alrighty. There is the cover right there. Okay, you see the cover, that's what it is. Okay, so let me get to it now. I'll see you guys later.